In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Twitch clips. Let's get started. Firstly, you need to install the extension. Once you've done that, look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser. You'll see an icon for extensions. Click on it and locate the Twitch clip downloader. I'm going to pin this extension for easier access in the future. Now that you've installed and pinned the extension, click on the Twitch clip downloader. You'll notice a message that says, "You are not on a Twitch clip page." There are two ways to download clips. You can either paste the clip's URL into the input box where it says, "Enter the Twitch clip URL." Or you can visit any Twitch clip page and use the download button. I'll show you both methods. The simplest method is to navigate to a Twitch clip URL. As an example, I'm going to download a clip from the Valorant channel. Here's how you do it. First, go to the any Twitch channel from which you want to download clips. Then click on Videos. After that, filter the results by clips. Then click on the clip you want to download. Here, you can see Download button. Click on it, you will be redirected to Followers Panda. Finally, click on Download and voila! The clip is now downloaded. The second method involves downloading a Twitch clip using its link. Simply paste the clip's URL in the input box. Then click on Download clip. After that, you will be redirected to Followers Panda. Finally, click on Download and voila! The clip is now downloaded. I hope this guide was helpful to you. Happy downloading!